Hey everyone, welcome back to my 11 plus videos. My name is Katie and welcome to this video for the 11 plus verbal section of your assessment. Okay, so there are various different types of verbal reasoning questions you may be asked. They are questions that are designed to test your understanding of the English language and the words within it. The reason why schools use verbal reasoning during the 11 plus assessment is so that the assessors can analyse a student's understanding and comprehensive skills. So this is a great skill to demonstrate as it allows students to analyse text and work out the logical reasoning behind words and sentences. Generally, the verbal reasoning section of the 11 plus exam will be combined with the non-verbal reasoning 11 plus paper, and you will have 1 hour to complete both sections. So let's take a look at a verbal example. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a few words, but obviously there's missing a letter. So the question is, the same letter must be able to fit in both sets of brackets in order to complete the word in front of the bracket and begin the word after the bracket. Okay, so you need to find a letter that will end these two words and begin these two words. So the only letter that could fit inside the bracket in order to make 4 words is Y. So your answer is answer option C. And this would make the words happy, yellow, Y and yawn. Okay. So another example. So in each question there are 2 pairs of words. Only one of the answers will go equally well with both of these pairs. Okay, so in bracket number 1 we've got the words fall and tumble. And in the second brackets we've got journey and outing. So which word out of these answer options can go equally well with both the pairs? So travel would not be appropriate because it doesn't fit with the first set of words. Trap doesn't work because it doesn't fit with the second set of words. Drop doesn't work because it doesn't fit with the second set of words. So the answer to this would be B, which is trip, meaning to fall or stumble. And it can also mean taking a trip somewhere. Okay, so you can see how that kind of works. Okay, so let's have a look at some practice questions. So question 1, which word is the odd one out? So we've got walk, run, jog, lift. Question 2, rearrange the words so that the sentence reads correctly. Okay, so as you can see, this is not a sentence that makes any sense, so you need to rearrange the words in order for it to make sense. Okay, so you can pause the video now and write down your answers to these 2 questions. Question 3, pick the word from the list of options that is the opposite to or nearly opposite to the word at the top, which is wealth. So resources, abundance, scarcity or affluence. And question 4, read the sentence and complete the letters within the missing word. Okay, so as you can see, there are letters missing in this word here, and you need to work out what letter that is. Okay, so here are the answers. So question 1, lift is the odd one out. So the other 3 words are all similar types of exercise, performed mainly with your legs. Question 2, you can rearrange the words to form the sentence, the room flooded because the tap was left on. Question 3, the opposite word to wealth is answer option C, which is scarcity. And finally, question 4, the pig rolled in the mud. So the letters O and E were missing. Okay, so that completes this brief video on the verbal section of the 11 plus. To find out more details about the 11 plus, including the non-verbal reasoning section, you can click on CareerVid's 11 plus playlist. You can go over to our website, howtobecome.com, and then you can search for our 11 plus resource page, and you will be able to find all of these videos right there. Okay, so that's it from me, everyone. Thanks for watching. If you do have any questions, feel free to drop me a message below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And all that's left for me to say is I wish you all the very best of luck in your 11 plus assessment.